Hello everyone, here is Gboard app. So to install it on iPhone, just download this app. It's a free app. Basically this is how it looks like. This is the Gboard keyboard. You can a lot of features. You can switch between search, translate, YouTube, maps, contacts. You can use audio input, you can use some additional advanced features. So basically, and then you just need to go to keyboards, keyboards, and then enable Gboard and allow full access. And then this Gboard will start appearing on your keyboard. So just tap the globe and then you can switch to Gboard. Hope that helps.